Well, today I want to share with you what is the biggest pitfall to avoid when it comes to hiding veggies in baking or cooking for your family and what you can do about it. This is actually something so simple, you might not even realize it's a thing, but I can guarantee you it is the thing that will prevent your kids, your spouse, your loved ones, think holiday dinners. They will not eat the stuff you make if this accidentally happens. So I'm excited to share this with you today and what you can do about it. If I haven't met you, hello and welcome. My name is Alicia Jones. I come to you live from Southern California. I'm a mom, a wife. I love the Lord. I love to help women lower inflammation, lose weight, keep it off, and just grow in confidence through a healthy lifestyle. And one of the ways I have found to do that for myself after I lost 63 pounds 5 years ago and learned how to keep it off, one of the ways I have learned to keep it off is this hiding veggies in just about everything approach. Why? Well, brings down the calories, brings up the fiber, right? Brings down the fat, brings up the protein. There's lots of great nutritional things that will help you to keep off this kind of stuff. This is fat. Nobody likes this. So here's the thing, when it comes to hiding veggies in your food, the biggest pitfall to avoid is letting people see the veggies. What does that mean? You're making a recipe, here's a muffin, here's a cookie, here's a savory dinner dish, and they can see the veggies that you're trying to hide. Even if you puree them. I say you, I mean me. I've done this and I know how come this doesn't work. Why? Because the color is off. What does that mean? If you have a cupcake, a vanilla cupcake, and you try to put zucchini, even if it's pureed zucchini, in your vanilla cupcake, guess what? They can see little shreds of green. And you know what they're gonna do? No thanks, Mom. Okay, so here I've got a couple ideas for you. I get a ton of these ideas from my own recipe book, which I put together for you, so I hope you have this already. If you don't, this is probably, if I may humbly say, one of the best resources you could have because all the recipes are done for you. Here's what I mean by hiding the color. Vanilla cupcakes, anything vanilla, anything light or white, pasta dishes, Rice Krispie treats, believe it or not, especially vanilla cupcakes, cake, tiramisu, lady fingers, anything with a white cake. Guess what that gets? Zucchini. This is yellow zucchini, or spaghetti squash works great. Hide yellow when it comes to white baked goods. Okay, next thing, this is like eating a rainbow. Look at that. Look at this. This is fun. Okay, yellow. Next thing, if you're doing baked goods, breads, cookies, you can hide sweet potato. You cannot see it in the dough, especially if it's like a chocolate chip cookie, and especially if it's got some of the other really healthy ingredients in it, you won't be able to see sweet potato. Third thing, black beans. This is a puree, makes it for a wonderful chocolate. You can hide, actually you can hide these two, I'll just show you both of them. This is green zucchini and these are black beans. You can hide both of these in anything chocolate, okay? Fudge, black bean brownies, both. Ice cream, you can hide both of these. This one works great. Anything green you can typically hide in chocolate, okay? So my biggest tip for you when it comes to what to avoid the colors of the veggies being seen, and that's what you're gonna avoid. And what to do about it is to match the color with the baked good or dinner dish that you are making, okay? Hopefully this was valuable for you. If you want me to walk you through how to do this, you just say class below. I just released my holiday Christmas makeover dinner class. That's gonna walk you through actually a couple recipes from this book and teach you how to do it, and even one from my next book that I haven't released yet. So hopefully that's a helpful resource for you. It's on demand, just fit it in your time as it works for you. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you got some great ideas of what you can start using for hidden veggies for your family. Drop me a hashtag value if you got value from this video, and you want the class, go ahead and put class down below. Have a great rest of your day and have fun hiding those veggies. Talk to you soon. Bye.